Are you looking for the top load washing machines that dries the clothes very fast and doesn't cost you much? Then this video is for you. In this video, we have handpicked top 3 budget-friendly washing machine models offering great features, reliability, and performance. So whether you are a college going student or have a small family or anyone wanting value and convenience, these picks have got you covered. And for all the washing machines, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. LG T70VB MB1Z model. It's a top load washing machine from LG, will cost you around 22,000 rupees and comes with attractive features like smart inverter technology for smooth operation, turbo drum for powerful yet gentle agitation, LED display, smart diagnosis for easy troubleshooting. This is best suitable for tech-savvy users and young professionals who want a modern and efficient washer with a smart dryer. If you love smart gadgets, then this washing machine will be your best laundry friend. Its smart inverter motor runs efficiently and quietly, adjusting power based on load size. So it's gentle on your clothes and your electricity usage. Turbo drum gives your garments a deep yet fabric safe clean by spinning them in the one direction while the drum spins the other. Need quick help when something is off? That is the LED display plus LG smart diagnosis feature makes troubleshooting easy. Just connect your phone and get fixes in seconds. Overall, it's a great washing machine. Whirlpool Royal Plus comes at a price of around 20,000 rupees. It comes with a 5-star energy rating. It comes with a built-in heater for giving clothes a hygienic hot wash, a stain wash royal system designed to tackle tough stains effectively. Best suitable for households with kids or anyone concerned about stubborn stains and hygiene. This Whirlpool Royal Plus steps up especially if stains or hygiene are your top concerns. Its powerful stain wash system combines targeted wash strokes and automatic setting to vanish those satin marks and spills with ease. So if you need a deeper clean, just switch on the inbuilt heater, which is perfect for sanitizing clothes and also helps in removing the stains and also handles germs, and washing heavily soiled garments it's best suitable for that. Despite the extra heat, it still probably boosts a 5-star energy rating, which is good one. Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine, overall the best, will cost you around 20 to 25,000 rupees. Comes equipped with the Eco Bubble technology for effective cleaning at a lower temperature, a robust digital inverter motor for energy efficiency and quiet operation, and a soft closing lid for safety and convenience. Suitable for small families or a single who value energy savings, gentle cloth care, or quiet washing cycles. Imagine a washing machine that gets your clothes sparklingly clean while keeping noise to a whisper and the electricity bills in check. That's exactly what the Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine delivers. It turns detergent into tiny bubbles that penetrate the fabric faster at a cooler temperature, saving power and preserving fabric quality. The digital inverter motor guarantees less friction, quieter runs, and 20-year motor warranty is just amazing. So these are the top 3 amazing washing machines that comes with a dryer and dries your clothes faster. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.